If you don't have a hat on, you want to make sure you at least have on that high SPF sunscreen or lightweight, light-colored clothing.
You're tuned to the Weather Channel on this Independence Day weekend 1999. I'm Mike Bono, and I'll be with you for the next little while talking about the heat in the east and some storms that are moving through the northern tier states with some damaging winds. More on that as we take a look at some of the effects of the heat and what folks were doing to deal with it in Washington, D.C. Turn on the hose. That's the thing to do in the nation's capital as temperatures soared to near 100 degrees. Not only that, feeling more like 105 to 110 as the wind was very light and the humidity factors were high. Just get under that water. A day for the dogs. The dog days, I guess they're here in July. How hot was it? 99 at Reagan National Airport in Washington, D.C., 94 in New York Central Park, and 91 in Boston. But Chicago was 93, and even late at night, Chicago was still well up into the 80s to near 90 with a lot of humidity. Twin Cities even 93 today, and 95 make that Sunday in Denver and Salt Lake City. So the southwest and middle part of the Rockies and Great Basin hot. Of course, Phoenix, but only 70 in San Diego and 60s in Montana. The Northeast, though, takes the cake with the abnormally hot weather as Philadelphia was 99, the National Airport 99, and Dulles was 97, Boston 91, but with the absence of thunder showers, which is questionable right now, we'll keep track of this overnight. 100 is not out of the question for Monday. 91 probably will be exceeded even if you get a thunder shower early Monday. Bangor 86, Burlington a toasty 92, and incidentally, we did have reported temperatures at some of the automated stations. Morristown, New Jersey, and Middletown, Pennsylvania, 100, along with Stanton, Virginia, and 102 reported at Fort Belvoir, Virginia, 94 Detroit. Records, you had them, hot as a firecracker. On July 4th, Raleigh, Durham, and Roanoke coming in with 99. Dulles Airport, 97 was a record for that location, and Wausau, Wisconsin, 95. Pretty hot in the higher elevations of West Virginia, 89, 90. This is what our forecast is right now. Of course, pending any thunderstorms that could breeze on through in the morning and wet down the ground and kind of slow your heating down. But without that effect, 100 in Boston, New York, 101 Philly, 103 Washington, and 100 in Detroit, 98 Pittsburgh. Of course, a passing cloud or developing shower could put the damper on this by a few degrees, but some folks in the Northeast Corridor are going to get up to 100 on Monday, July 5th. So head for the beaches if you have that opportunity, or the old swimming hole. Klamath Falls, Oregon, of course, another P.S., watch out for afternoon thunderstorms if you're on the beach. Klamath Falls, 34. Some cooler spots in the northwest coming in below freezing on the 4th of July. Spokane, 42. But look at Sacramento and the hot growing areas of the San Joaquin Valley coming with 50 in the morning to tie a record. Frost, anyone? Not quite, but cool anyway. Battle is up around the Arctic Circle, 81. Fairbanks, 83, the high on the 4th of July. 77 in Dawson. Tuktoyaktuk on the slope, along with Barrow, mid-50s. That's a hot one for Barrow. 45 at Nome with that water influence, and even McGrath was 78. So hot weather in Hawaii. Cool weather in the northwest corner, though, with those record lows. But here's our Bermuda high extended just about to the Mississippi River with a trough of low pressure that's going to cause that air to blow down the slopes of the Appalachians and keep the sea breeze out on Monday. That's the hottest pattern for the northeast coastal areas. The Sunday into early Monday severe storms. This was in the early day where some flood warnings were issued in parts of eastern New York in the evening because of the excessive rain you got early Sunday. Up around Ontonagon County in Michigan, a report of hail, and also North Dakota into Minnesota, hail and high winds were reported. More of that. Watch out along I-94 in the upper Midwest for damaging wind, and early morning storms could rumble through northeast New York and New England. We'll keep you posted. Watch your local forecast. As sultry overnight conditions continue, even near 80 in Chicago and New York City in the early morning hours, the low temperatures. Much cooler in the Rockies, to be sure. Our Bermuda high extension stays on the map. A hot, humid wind in the Great Plains. A cool front advancing with thunderstorms in Minnesota, but hot as a firecracker in the eastern United States. Some showers, southern Appalachians, Texas, and the Southwest. Watch out for that heavy rain in parts of Minnesota in the early morning as those hot temperatures, even 100 in the northeast, continue. How about the next several days?
exactly sure of the name.
Now you can get information even if you don't have all the information. AT&T customers, dial 00. You don't need the exact name.
Found it. Pinky's Dog Grooming.
Dial 00 for any number anywhere, even Yellow Page listings, and get connected for free.
Oh, it's magic, you know.
Merger mania. Two companies hook up, and everybody goes crazy. Janice gets beyond the hype, digs deeper into the data, and finds out what's really going on. Janice even showed up in person at one company's sales convention for a reality check with salesmen who predicted their merger would alienate customers and sales would suffer. Janice stayed out of that feeding frenzy and didn't get bit. Get there. Janice Mutual Funds.
To cover hurricanes like we do at the Weather Channel, you need experience.
You need a team with experience.
Working together, getting it right for you.
The Weather Channel, keeping you ahead of the storm.
Right now, it's your local forecast on the Weather Channel.